Hello all, welcome back to Project Mastery Podcast. We'll be covering trustworthy AI concepts in today's episode. Artificial intelligence is a transformative technology. All transformative technologies are quite disruptive in nature. Trustworthy AI is required. Trustworthy AI needs responsible AI. The disruption that gets created is good in various aspects. It is going to increase the productivity. It is going to bring in great quality of life for us. It is going to create new opportunities for us. There are going to be new job opportunities. Technology is also able to overcome world's challenges. Disruption is also turning out to be problematic for everyone because there are changes in workforce. It is creating societal disruption. Privacy is getting impacted. Common sense is getting impacted. New cyber threats are coming into picture. New physical threats are coming into picture. There's a need for trustworthy AI here. People are worried about AI. People are worried that AGI will take over the world completely. People are worried that robots will take everybody's job. We are worried that we will lose control over our data. We will lose control over our privacy. There is too much data available in the hands of too few people. These are emotional fears. There are real concerns about AI. One is the lack of transparency. Deep learning frameworks lack transparency. There are bad actors consistently performing bad things with AI. Data bias, fairness issues are there. AI systems are always vulnerable to data security. Laws are not keeping up with technology. These are the realities and the real concerns we have with AI. Trustworthy AI systems are expected to address these concerns. These are the different layers of trustworthy AI: ethical AI, responsible AI, transparent AI, governed AI, interpretable and explainable AI. Ethical AI talks about the things you should not do or avoid doing. Responsible AI is all about being careful in a way that you do choose things. Transparent AI provides visibility into how what is being done. Governed AI is all about audit, measure, regulate, guide, secure, process. Interpretable and explainable AI means understand the system behavior and make black boxes as less as possible. This is the source from Cognilytica. This is how Cognilytica has also defined the ethical concepts. We always prefer machines to be in compliance with the fundamental human values. We don't want to build computer systems that will create ethical problems or make it worse. We want to avoid any form of harm. We want to make sure systems do not go beyond our ability to control them. Do not harm is a term used here. We need to set up machines, we need to set up computer systems to ensure AI systems don't cause human harm. They should not be causing human harm intentionally. They should not be causing human harm unintentionally also. When you talk about harm, it refers to physical harm, financial harm, emotional harm, societal harm, mental harm, environmental harm. AI systems should not be misused. AI systems should not be abused. AI systems should not become beyond the ability of humans to control them. AI systems should not become uncontrollable. There should always be a human who should be able to control these AI systems. This is what ethical AI is all about. Algorithmic discrimination. This refers to data bias which is used to train an algorithm. This can result in unfair decisions. When using algorithms to make decisions, it is important to keep a human in loop to oversee the outcomes. Weapons of MAC destruction. It refers to opacity, which is unexplainability of models, scale, where interpretation is done more completely and broadly, damage, ability to have farther ranging impacts. You have to know that your training data does not have inherent data biases caused by human. Algorithmic discrimination will have an impact on business KPIs. It will also have an impact on overall system performance. We need to understand the term singularity. Singularity is a future state in time. It's a future point in time. It's a hypothetical future point at which technological growth is going to become uncontrollable. Technological growth becomes irreversible. As a result, there will be unforeseeable changes to human civilization. AGI systems that learn how to learn, systems that can self-improve, systems that can self-improve quickly, systems that can self-improve iteratively to a particular point where we cannot control. This concept has been popularized by Werner Winch in 1983 in an article. It has also been expanded by Ray Kurzweil in 2005, where he has predicted singularity will be achieved by the year 2045. Kurzweil has predicted that human life will be transformed irreversibly and that humans will transcend the brain limitations. Humans will transcend biological body limitations too. This is one of the major fears in respect to AI technology. Uncanny Valley is a relationship between the degree of an object's resemblance to a human being and the object's emotional response. Humanoid objects appear like real human beings. They almost appear, but not exactly like human beings. They will elicit strange feelings. They will elicit familiar feelings. They will elicit uncanny feelings of airiness. As the amount of human likeliness is going to increase, the object likability actually increases. The likability of that object will also increase a bit until it gets too close, and then there is going to be a steep decline in likability until we get to a living human again. We should be careful with anthropomorphism. Should we really be anthropomorphizing the robots? For conversational interfaces, we should always check with customers whether they are okay with robots or they prefer a different experience. We'll be covering responsible AI concept in the next episode. We have come to the end of the podcast. Hope the knowledge is valuable. Thank you for tuning in.